In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wedding invitation with wax seal in Canva. If you love that classic, heirloom feel of a wax seal but want a clean digital design you can print or share online, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in just a few simple moves. First, open Canva and use the search bar right on the home page to type wedding invitation. You'll see a gallery of ready-made layouts in different styles, from modern minimal to floral and romantic. Take a moment to browse and choose a layout that matches your theme and color palette. Think about the vibe of your event: formal, rustic, vintage, or contemporary, and pick a design that complements it. Pay attention to orientation and size as well. If you already know whether you are printing or sharing digitally, select a layout that fits that format. Don't worry if the fonts or colors aren't perfect yet. You are choosing a foundation that feels right, and you can refine the look as you go. With your invitation layout open, head to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search field there, type wax seal or gold wax seal. Canva will display a variety of options, from realistic metallic seals to flat, illustrated styles. You'll even find some with pre-designed monograms, which is great if you want that personalized touch without extra design work. Look for seals that match your invitation's tone: matte or glossy, subtle or bold. If you see a small crown icon that indicates a pro element, you can still preview it or choose a free alternative if needed. You can also glance at the category filters to make sure you are pulling in graphics rather than photos if you prefer a cleaner, vector style look. Once you find the wax seal you love, click it to add it to your canvas. Then drag it into place on the invitation. You can resize it by pulling the corner handles. Rotate it slightly for a natural, hand-pressed feel, and position it where it enhances the design. Common placements include the top center as a crest, the lower corner as a subtle accent, or near the names to highlight the focal point. If the element supports color editing, adjust it to harmonize with your palette. Classic gold, warm copper, or a soft neutral are all elegant choices. Use Canva's smart guides to align it cleanly, and consider a touch of transparency if you want it to blend more softly with the background. When it feels balanced and intentional, you are done. That's it. Thanks for watching.